So in this video, we're going to be messing around with some tow trucks, maybe putting a few on top of each other, doing some racing, experimenting with the tow trucks, and maybe a bonus crash compilation at the end. Alright, all my friends are here, so why don't we get started with the video? We were waiting for another person to show up, and then all of a sudden, this happened. Oh, that's not good.
Oh. See, it glitches out after a while. Oh, we have a tire on the loose. We have a wheel
I blinked and it...
Sadly, we weren't able to beat the record, but we still had a ton of fun stacking all these tow trucks. Alright, let's go do some racing now. Okay, ready, set, go!
I'm out of here.
Oh.
Peace out, man.
Oh.
Peace out.
Oh, yes, yes!
Oh.
Get off of me!
Okay, it's just me right now.
You're
That's
still gonna win, dude.
Oh,
I'm going to win.
Started.
I'm going to
oh,
win.
that's awesome, that's awesome.
I'm going to win. There's nothing you can do about it. I'm sorry, man.
Oh, no. Okay, alright, I'm doing pretty well so far.
And that's a win for me. Cool.
Alright, so it looks like, Cardinal won, huh?
Yep.
Alright.
Don't make me tell you,
What
little
happened?
man.
I don't know if I'm even allowed to say on even Discord what has happened.
I'm gonna just... Whoa, jeez, I'm gonna switch the lanes. Oh, no, this isn't gonna be good.
We're dead.
Oh!
Everyone's dead. We're not.
Alright, well, Cardinal won that race. Let's move on to some tow truck experiments. We're gonna see if this works, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna...
Oh, I know it.
Anyways, I'm gonna hit yes. Let's see if this works.
Oh? I'm
My
sure that's
lord.
fine.
And the answer is no. That didn't go as planned. Let's move on to the next experiment. Alright, so we're gonna try and tow a car while we're moving. So let's see if this works. Okay, that did not work. Oh yeah, look at that tow truck. I think we just killed the limo and the tow truck. Let's try a smaller vehicle.
Correct.
Alright, now, if this should work, I'm going to be able to hit yes, and I should be able to gracefully move onto the tow truck with no problem.
Ow. Ow.
Okay, here we go. Let's see.
The other tow truck.
Get a crash.
And... Oh!
Oh, he squashed him.
Alright, so that kind of worked. So maybe you're able to tow vehicles that are moving. That's cool. How about we try and do a head-on collision with 3 tow trucks? Oh, this isn't good.
Here we go.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my... Oh, jeez!
I didn't even get a
tow truck.
Alright, that was an awesome crash. Well, I have a ton more crashes just like that I edited into an awesome compilation that I'm going to play right now.